Welcome to all of you in Intermediate Science Faculty of Marwari Inter College, Ranchi. First, all of you know about the science. What is science? The knowledge gained through careful observation and logical reasoning is called science. The word science is English word. It comes from Latin word scientia. It means to know. Now, come to what is physics. The word physics comes from Greek word physis, which means nature. That is, physics is a branch of science which deals with the study of natural phenomena. In your NCERT book, the definition of physics is given. Physics is the branch of science which deals with the nature and the natural phenomena. Now, all of you know that the creator of the universe has given two things. First one, matter, and second one, energy. Then, what is matter? Matter is something existing outside our mind and can be felt through our senses. Second one, energy. Everything which is not material in nature, like light, TV wave, radio wave, etc., are called energy. Since physics is the branch of science which deals with nature and the natural phenomena, so the universe is made by two things, matter and energy. Therefore, we can define the physics in this term. Physics is the study of matter and energy. So, today we see what is science and what is physics. It is not sufficient to take the admission in science faculty, but if all of you, the student of science faculty, then you make some special kind of nature, such as regularity, punctuality, and honesty. Which work you have to do, you must do it regular and with punctuality. Also do this work with honesty. These three characters completely developed in your sight, your future will be bright in the science. Forget it. It's all for